evergreen traders and investors. Welcome to our EquiTalks episode number 37. My name is JC De Guzman. Today is December 5, 2019, Thursday. In this episode, I'm going to talk about China Banking Corporation with a stock code of CHIB. The question that I am going to answer in this episode is this: should you trade the range or wait until it breaks the resistance? So where's the resistance? And so which is the right answer? We will get there, but for now I'm going to give you first my analysis that is aligned with my evergreen strategy in trading and investing in the Philippine stock market. And speaking of that methodology, if you wish to learn more about it, just visit our website at www.equilyst.com and click on the course menu on our website, just like what you're seeing on my screen right now if you are watching this episode on YouTube. And by the way, this episode is available as a written text or a podcast, an audio, and also a video on YouTube. The podcast is published on SoundCloud, on our SoundCloud account. And if you'd like to see these three media formats, just visit our website at www.equilyst.com and then click on resources and then click learn. You will find our EquiTalks library on that page. Now let's proceed with China Bank. It closed today at 25 pesos per share. As of December 5, 2019, Thursday, it went down by 0.40%. The total turnover value, or TTV, reached 5.3 million pesos. The local traders are the main drivers of CHIB, or China Bank, for today. Foreign investors registered a net foreign selling worth 3.3 million pesos. So it's almost a 50-50 between the foreign fundies and the local traders. Uh, for year to date, foreign fundies are net sellers, but there's nothing to worry about it because the size of their participation year to date is insignificant, relatively insignificant, just like the total turnover value for today. When you compare it, of course, with the other uh, with the other banking stocks in the PSEI universe. The immediate support for China Bank is at 24.8, resistance is at 25.7. My 10 SMACD combo is bearish, and the historical volatility score is at 6.15%, and that means China Bank still has a low risk level, meaning to say its price does not fluctuate so erratically that it would cause a heart attack, so to speak. But it doesn't mean you should buy it just because it has a low risk level. There are many downtrending stocks that have a low risk level. You will learn more about this in my evergreen strategy in trading and investing in the Philippine stock market. It's an online stock market course, an online stock market seminar, which you will find on the course menu on our website. Let's proceed with my trade and volume distribution analysis for China Bank. The closing price of 25 pesos per share is moving above its volume weighted average price of 24.97. However, the dominant range of 24.95 to 25 pesos per share is closer to the intraday low than the intraday high. Besides, it registered a red candlestick today. So that's more than enough for a reason, to have a bearish momentum power indicator for China Bank. So there's no confirmed buy signal. For the true market sentiment for today, it's neutral. It signifies an indecision, a low appetite to buy the stock at a higher price. For week to date, it's also neutral, same interpretation. For the recommendation part, let's say, do you have China Bank in your portfolio? If you do, I really hope that your trailing stop is still intact. Otherwise, I cannot understand why you still have China Bank, all right? Because a trailing stop is an indicator, or it's a symbol for the amount of risk that you can realistically and healthily handle. All right? So if your trailing stop is still intact, I suggest that you reduce the percentage of risk applied on your trailing stop. Do not buy more. Do not average down. That's silliness if you will average down. It's more than likely to continue going down. Why would you buy more when you know the likelihood of it continuing to move, for it to continue to move toward the southward direction? Why would you, right? Now, to assist you in calculating or recalculating your trailing stop, you can use my trailing stop calculator. It's on our website at www.equilyst.com. Click on resources, click tools, and you will find the trailing stop calculator from that list. If you don't have a position on China Bank right now, then that's the perfect position, I would say. All right, it's best that you don't have a position on China Bank right now. Personal disclosure, I am not interested in trading stocks that are trading in a range. I am interested in trading stocks that are either already moving in a trend, or let me say that again. Personally, I am interested in trading stocks that are either in a trend or are poised to enter a trend. China Bank is nowhere near that description. So we have to avoid trading China Bank for now. All right? So that's EquiTalks episode number 37. Again, I would recommend that you also subscribe to uh, to our subscription service so that you can ask for our latest analysis and recommendation for any stock listed in the Philippine Stock Exchange as trading happens in our private clients forum. There's more than that. You will have access to our investment guide for long-term investing and a daily video for short-term trading where I discuss 10 stocks with 10 trade setups. And you can also ask us in real time as trading happens in our private clients forum, and you will have access to other services. To learn more about it, go to our website at www.equilyst.com and then click on subscribe to learn more. Okay, there are 6 learn more buttons on this page. Please click all of those 6 buttons and then read the description of all of those 6 inclusions of this subscription service. It's important that you know what you're subscribing into before you actually pay for your subscription. All right? And lastly, subscribe to our free newsletter so that as soon as we publish an EquiTalks episode, our system will send you an automated email informing you that a new episode is already up so that you can read it, listen to the podcast via SoundCloud while you're on traffic, or while you're in traffic, or watch the video once you reach home on YouTube. All right? So, again, my name is JC De Guzman. Remember, be evergreen.